This Rotel amplifier was found in a warehouse with no windows, and I thought I could check if it's working. I noticed that in the back of it says that it needs to be connected with 120 volt, which is the American standard, but when I tried to connect it to 120 volt and press the power button, nothing happened. And then I tried to connect it to 240 volt, and it did turn on. So I don't know why this is. Maybe someone did something inside to make it happen. Maybe it's supposed to be like this. Here I'm trying to find the adapter from the American socket to the European socket. This one doesn't fit, so I got another one. I didn't understand quite what's the difference between both of them, but the white one works, so this is what I used. You can see when I connect it to the electricity, the power LED is turned on. All kinds of LED turn on. Something happened here that I didn't quite pay attention to when this first happened, but after, when I watched the video, I saw something. So when I see that it did turn on, I decided to clean it a little bit, and this is what's going to happen in a few minutes. In the manual of this amplifier, I think it says it's from 1992, and it says don't expose it to moisture, and I think it was exposed to moisture because after it was clean, I could see some corrosion and rust on the circuit boards. So this is the back of the device. It says it's got a couple of places to put maybe other appliances that take 120 volts, but everywhere on it you only see 120 volt. But as I said at the beginning, 120 volt didn't turn it on, only 240. After I cleaned it from the outside, I decided I will clean it from the inside also. put all the screws in this little metal box. So you can see that it's very, very dirty. I think it was like 20, 25 years inside this warehouse. I think chicken was lived there also. I use compressed air and a brush, trying to take off the lots of dust and I don't know, a lot of dirt. And even when I finished, it was not that clean. I found a small speaker that was okay. The resistance of the speaker is okay for this amplifier. Here I put some contact spray on all the contacts. This is a close-up of the rusty board. So the problem is that when you turn it on and you press one of the channel selectors and you want to change from tape to CD or from to phono or to radio, so it doesn't work. But the upper buttons that change the stations, they work, but you cannot select radio. So what I was thinking is that if I can get to the electric board that in charge of these buttons and apply some contact spray, this will solve the issue. But this was not the case. So even though I tried very hard, I didn't manage to make these buttons work. This is a shot from the beginning. When I first turn it on, you can see that the channel selector is changing by itself for a second, and then they turn off, and they never turn on back again. Thanks for watching.